Yeah, I'll just never forget that. I can never forget that.
Oh my gosh.
She was calling security the entire time.
But why weren't they responding?
It's true. That's true.
But do you see me now? Do you see me now? Like if you need security, would you say, would you say, do you see me now? Do you see me now?
Because I mean, I know a bit of who you are. Just kidding.
Wait, did you? Okay, okay, okay. You got it right.
Oh,
Let me
really,
just
both?
stand. Am I
May
supposed to
ganito rin
laugh
ako.
at this? What I told my mom about it, like,
Really? Yeah, I don't do that. You know I don't do that.
I bet.
While I was showering, I can imagine that they had to mop it. Tapos they had to put alam mo yung wet floor sign.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, it's just stuck in my head, and I
Wait,
ran.
did you pay for it?